For the last portion of part 3, which is check ultimate pressure, dito na tayo ngayon. Okay? Yung part. So, meron tayong 1 equation, 2, 3, and 4 equations na kailangan gawin. So, your first is the maximum of these corner stresses. So, kunin lang natin yung maximum nitong apat, which is 183.53. Okay? And that is your FU. Next, ito yon. For number 2, Q sub U, Q sub U Besabilia, no? Kunin mo yung average nitong apat. So that is equal to sum of this 4 divided by 4. So that's how you get 52.58. And next, for the third equation, based on QCSI, ito medyo mahaba-haba yan. So, solve natin yan mano-mano, no? Ang una nating gagawin is, yan, first, 6FU, second, itong 2PU. Third is yung term na yan. And then, fourth is this term. And finally, i-divide natin lahat yan ng by 8. Okay? So, let's start. This is equal to unahin natin yan, 6 times FU, which is ito, then plus 2 times PU all over BL, ito yun, divided by, open parenthesis, B times L. Then close parenthesis. Tapos, plus, ito na, medyo mahaba-haba yan. So, 6 times, open parenthesis, PU times EX. So, balik tayo dito, PU times EX, ito si eccentricity EX, no? Plus MUY, ito siya, yan, MUY, and then divided by, open parenthesis, BL squared. Okay, so ito si B times L times L, then close parenthesis. Yan. Next, dito na tayo ngayon, ano? Sa 6 PU EY plus MUX divided by LB squared. So, plus 6 times the quantity, dito na tayo, PU EY, click mo ulit yan, PU times EY, okay, plus MUX, which is ito, divided by LB squared. So, ito si L times B times B. Then, close parenthesis. Then, another close, wala nang close parenthesis, last na yan. Then, you just press enter. Finally, let's check. Divided by 8. So, that's how I got 180.513. Or, in short, i-parenthesis mo lahat yan, tsaka dun sa last, divided by 8. Ganyan lang yun. So, that's how I got this equation number 3 na Q sub U. Galing yan sa QCSI. Finally, yung equation number 4, you just, ito yung number 4, ano, you just get the maximum of this three equations, FU, QUB, tsaka QUQ. So that is simply equal to the maximum of these three equations, which happens to be 183.53. Okay? And then, you do the same thing dito sa y direction. And to do that, gawin natin ito. Okay? So, yan naman ang gagawin natin ngayon. Okay? So, first equation is the maximum of these four corner forces. And that is 134.8. And then, QUB, which is B stands for Besabilia. You just get the average. So, this is equal to sum of these four corner forces divided by 4. And that's how you got 52.58. Next is, paano natin kukunin tong Q sub U? Take note na yung Q sub U QCSI, kaparehas lang yan nung ginawa natin dito kanina sa taas. Okay? Kasi di naman nagbabago yung PU, EX, tsaka MUY, pero ang nagbago dito yung F sub U. Kasi yung F sub U natin ay galing yan sa maximum dito sa EQ at Y direction. So, all I have to do now is simply copy this equation. Okay, so I will copy that. And then, ipe-paste ko dito. Let's say, dyan na. And then, ang so I will just copy this equation. Yan, yung mahaba kanina. Ipe-paste ko lang dito. And then, ang nagbago lang dyan is yung FU. So, ito, ililipat ko lang dito sa baba. Okay, and then, yan na. So, that's how I got 144.02. And finally, kunin mo lang yung equation number 4. That's simply the maximum of these 3. So, that is equal to maximum of these 3 equations, which is 144.02. Okay, next. So, nakuha na natin lahat yan. Dito naman tayo ngayon. Kukunin natin ngayon, among these two directions, earthquake at X and then earthquake at Y, kukunin ulit natin yung maximum in terms of FU. Tapos, maximum in terms of QUB, maximum in terms of QU sub QCSI, and ayun na, which is ito. Okay? So, to do that, dito tayo ngayon. You just get the maximum of these two. Yan. Kama, tsaka ito. Then, close. So, that's how I got this, 183.53. Same thing, kunin mo yung maximum ng 52.58 tsaka etong 52.58. And then, finally, etong QCSI naman, kunin mo ulit yung maximum among 180 tsaka 144. Which happens to be 180.513. And finally, kunin mo ngayon yung maximum dito sa tatlo. Then, close. So, that's how I got 183.53. Ngayon, yung 183.53 na yan, yan yung ilalagay mo dito sa QU. Okay? Yan, see? However, meron tayong question dito. Okay? So, yung question na yan, nanggaling dito sa input data natin. Use FU, Besabilia, QCSI, or maximum. So, meron kang input dito either 1, 2, 3, or 4. Kapag pinili natin dyan ay 1, ibig sabihin yung F sub U. So, meron tayong choices dito. 1 is FU. Okay. Tapos, 2 is BESA. Then, 3 is QCSI. And then, fourth option, yung maximum. Okay? So, let's say, isa-isay natin yan. Kung FU ang pipiliin mo, eto, 183.53. Kapag Besabilia, ang pipiliin natin Q sub U is 52.58. And then, kapag QCSI, pag ang pinasok mo dito ay 3, ang pipiliin mo ay QCSI, which is yung 180. And finally, kapag ang option mo ay 4, yung pinasok mo dito ay 4, dito, ang pipiliin niya ay yung 183.53. Okay. Which is yan. Ngayon, let us make a spreadsheet for that. Okay, so, dito, if open parenthesis, if this is equal to 1, then ang pipiliin niya ay ito. Okay? Otherwise, if open parenthesis, H24, this is equal to 2. Okay? Kapag sinabing 2 ang in-input mo dyan, ang pipiliin niya ay etong si BESA. Yan. Then, comma, meron ka na namang logical statement. If this cell equals 3, then, ang palalabasin mo ay etong kay QCSI. Otherwise, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng 4 kasi yan naman ang last option. Otherwise, you just click yan. Okay, so close, close, and then isa pang close. Yan. So, pag pinalitan natin to ng 1, okay, see what happens here. Pag, tingnan nyo to, ano? Pag pinalitan natin ito ng 1, dapat ang lalabas dito ay 183. Ang lalabas dito ay 183.53. So, I will press enter. Yan. Next, pag pinalitan ko to ng 2, dapat 52.58 ang lalabas dito. Okay? So, I will press enter now. Yan. And then next, kapag pinalitan ko to ng 3, dapat ang lalabas dyan ay yung QCSI which is 180. Okay? So, we'll press enter. Yan. So, tumatama. And finally, kapag ang prines mo dyan ay 4, lalabas dyan yung maximum na 183.53. Ngayon, pag naglagay ka dyan ng ibang entry, let's say, UHG, meron bang choice dito na UHG? 1 is not UHG, 2 is not UHG, 3 is not UHG. Ibig sabihin yan, kung wala siya dito sa tatlong options na yan, ito ang susundin niya. Other options means etong G61, which is yung automatic, yung maximum ang pupuntahan niya. Okay, so yan yung pag-determine ng ating Q sub U, which is this. Ngayon, yung logical statement dito, which is yan yung may if, tatlong if, that is basically, ayan, tatlong if. Okay? And then, etong allowable FU naman, this is equal to, ayan o, Q sub A times PU all over summation P. Okay, so ito yon. So that is equal to Q sub A. Nasaan si Q sub A? Ito yun. Equal to, ayun, 220, no? Q sub A siya. Times PU. Nasaan si PU? Nandito. Divided by summation P, which is ito divided by 136. So you press enter. So that's how I got 280.66. Ngayon, yung allowable FU, this should be greater than your Q. Greater than your Q sub U. Ayan, which is composed of FUA, FUB, FUC, FUD. Yan. And should also be greater than 0. Okay, so dyan nagtatapos ang ating part 3, which is about ultimate soil pressure. Okay, so ito lang yung part 3. Yan. Yan na yun. Okay guys, so thank you for listening.